I'm General MEP. Today, me and my assistant are going to demonstrate how to replace a rotten plank in your deck. It's a good thing we happen to have a rotten plank in our deck to show you how it's done.
General, whenever you say me and my assistant, don't you really mean my assistant?
Don't be so technical. You know what I mean. You need to start things by removing the old plank. You are probably going to need a hammer and a pry bar. After you remove the plank, remove any remaining nails using your pry bar. Hurry up, assistant. I don't want this video to take all day. I got things to do.
We could get this done a lot faster, General, if you'd come down here and help a little bit.
I'd rather not. You're doing a fine job. Once you get the plank out, go ahead and clean up the area.
General, if you're not wearing your goggles, you may want to get out of the way.
No thanks, I'll just stay right here. Oh, you could have used the broom.
General, quit goofing around and get back in your chair.
Hurry up and get those nails in, and make sure they're straight. Just give me that hammer, and I'll do it myself.
Oops, I'm sorry. Maybe you should move back a little bit.
Was that necessary? You better hope Ocean doesn't see this video.
General, you need to calm down. It's just a flesh wound.
I hope you have good homeowner's insurance because you're going to pay.
Give me that hand, you. You know, this is all your fault. I wouldn't be putting a Band-Aid on your hand if you would have just listened.
Hey, get away from me. You're not an EMT. You better hope that I don't get tetanus from this. Make sure you always use OSHA recommended work practices, and accidents like these might not happen. Keep a lookout for more of my do-it-yourself tutorials from me, General MEP. Make sure you like and subscribe, whether you liked it or not. General's orders.